Meet Jen. Jen works for the county fleet department, and she needs to reserve one of her department's motor pool vehicles to attend a meeting at an office across town. Jen's department uses AssetWorks KeyValet for their motor pool management needs. KeyValet is a secure key box on site at Jen's headquarters, and it integrates directly into their AssetWorks fleet-focused fleet management software system, so all of their motor pool data stays up to date. To make a motor pool reservation on the fly, Jen approaches the KeyValet box and begins to create the new reservation. This can also be done online or via the Reservation Center Smart app. She then enters the length of time she will have the vehicle for and enters her destination. After entering the destination, Jen enters the reason for her trip. Next, she selects from the motor pool vehicles that are assigned to her role and confirms her license type. Now, Jen's reservation is complete. The KeyValet box opens so she can retrieve the key and take the assigned vehicle to her meeting. All of the data regarding Jen's reservation integrates directly into AssetWorks Fleet Focus in real time, so the office automatically knows where the motor pool vehicles are and how many are still available to reserve. To learn more about the AssetWorks KeyValet system for automated motor pool management, request a custom demo at assetworks.com/fleet/KeyValet.